so slow. Want you to know that I'll miss you. Also, never could forget you. So surprised at the news I got that night. It was only yesterday, I'm still wiping my eyes. My cries of you leaving my life. Then I realized why I cry. Now you up in paradise. You have always been a great friend all the time. Now Bird, you're my great friend in the skies. Looking down on me, travel down life's road, one step at a time, something like a tightrope. And I know might take some time. As the days pass by, things will be just fine. All the good times, yeah, they're on my mind. Till we'll reunite and fly by the night sky.
Did you know my name? If I saw you in heaven, would it be the same? If I saw you in heaven.
Listen, here I am reminiscing, thinking about all the good times, you know I'll miss them. And I'm sitting, a bird just crossed my vision. It's a tear from heaven, yeah, I know you're listening. And it's you I'm missing, and all the good times, kicking cold Friday nights, living the good life. Putting out the vibe like it's your 9 to 5. Captain Coke's down the line with the combat on the side. And between the pipes, everybody knows the type. Nobody's quite as nice as Mr. Jeff Bird Mcbride. Remember that trip to show up Beaver Pride, all the way to DC, sporting that green and white. Now I'm feeling like something's missing deep inside. Words that I can't define, feeling that I can't describe. As I dry my eyes, what I give to say goodbye to a friend for life, yeah, a friend of a lifetime.
Did you know my name? If I saw you in heaven, would it be the same? If I saw you in heaven, I must be strong and carry on, 'cause I know I don't belong here in heaven.
And I know I got so much to learn. Past week has been hard, but I'm matured. But Bird is the word, now my prayers are heard. You are our protector, better than Wilder. Yeah, and you're gonna have to pave the way, making kick saves, keeping everybody safe. As you're looking down from heaven's gates. Hope you hear the song, man, this is my thanks. Thanks for everything that you did for me. And I really hope that you do rest in peace. What the blessings be, the lessons be forever. You'll be living in my memory, and I really hope that you see. Yeah, gonna miss you so much. Jack D and Coke in my red cup. To the nicest person that I know of. Rest in peace, Jeff Bird Mcbride, yeah, much love.